Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, south central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Birdsboro, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, East Greenville, Honeybrook, Schwenksville, and Elverson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.